So I guess we could start at why build a wooden plane? Other than the pleasure when you're planing wood, it's very nice. Take an iron and one of these and one of those to start. So when we look at the grain direction, and this can be tricky on some species, if you're working with beech or whatever other popular woods you may work with. I have the iron, that was that line I drew.
Yeah, okay.
So it's really, that's
Right,
just, and now you have to think, that's the center of the pin. There's so many variables about sharpening that you kind of find your own routine. In the Unplugged Wood Shop, we're in Toronto, because we have 10 students every day and that changes every day, we don't do micro bevels once you get to the corners, especially if you're using the water stones. The water stones are quite soft.